Morning, guys. This is gonna be day 1 of the 2 days that we are going to be with my cousin. Today I'm just gonna go to work, come back home, do some homework, get my stuff ready, and then go to my cousin's house. And tomorrow is gonna be the big day. Tomorrow we're going to a big car show. He's gonna be in the car show. We're gonna meet up with like 60 plus other people with the same kind of car, and then we're just gonna go hang out. So this is gonna be day 1 of 2. I'm going a little early to work today just so you guys can meet some of my co-workers. I mean, I guess they're pretty cool. All right, here we go. Start of a long day at work. All right, we're gonna go see my manager. You eating a taco?
Tacos way.
So, Christian.
Hey, what's going on? The camel print beamer?
No!
Ray Merzabel.
I took a nap on my arm. Still show?
Yeah. Can you zoom in?
Alright guys, I'm on my 10 from work. I'm probably just gonna leave my camera in the car now, and then I'll just come back and get it when I'm out of work. But I'm on my 10, it is 3:34, and then I get off at 5:30, so right when I'm off, just gonna go home, get my stuff, do some homework, and then go to my cousin's house. Or I'll probably just take my homework to my cousin's house. But you will see him later today in the vlog. Just got off of work. Now I'm gonna go straight home, and then I'm gonna pack my stuff to go to my cousin's house because he's probably waiting for me already. So, packing my stuff right now. Made it home, guys, and I got dressed. Now I'm just gonna pack up my stuff and then get ready to go to my cousin's house because he's already becoming a little impatient. So, I'm just gonna do that real quick, and then we'll be in the car in about 10 minutes, and then we'll be at his house and we'll see what we do from there. Made it to my cousin's house and he's already waiting for me in the car. Waiting for me?
I just came out right now.
Oh, sick. Alright, so you just went inside the bank to go take out some money. We're gonna go get something to eat real quick, and then we're going to go back to his house, I guess. I don't know. Today's just a chill day, and then tomorrow we're gonna wake up at 5 in the morning and then get ready and then head over to Fontana because that's where the car show is gonna be at. I mean, today is nothing big, so I'm probably gonna put this vlog with tomorrow's vlog.
Condensation.
Again? We just came to pick up some food, and then we took it to go, so we're about to leave right now. I don't know where. Comment down below if you know where this is. I mean, it's Mighty Mouth, but I've never heard of it. It says that it's a Tommy's, but if you know if there's another one anywhere else, just like let me know. Some of you guys might know that I can't have cheese, but oh my god, look at this. What'd you get?
Chili cheeseburger. Shut up.
So we just got back to my cousin's house, and now we're just gonna go to sleep because we have to wake up at 5 in the morning. So this ends 1 out of 2 day vlog that we're gonna do. I'm gonna just post this one on with tomorrow's vlog because it's just way too short. There's no need to put it out as a separate vlog. So I'll see you guys tomorrow morning, which is gonna be right now. Good morning, guys. It's day 2 of the 2 day vlog, and it's currently 5:20 in the morning, and we are about to head out to the car show. Oh my god, we've slept for 5 hours this time. so it's better than the 86 Fest where we slept for 3. So let's go. So we met up with the crew, and now the speedway is right behind me, so we're gonna go into there pretty soon, but I don't know what we're waiting for. Probably waiting to see what entrance we're gonna take, but yep, there's pretty much everyone that rolled with us. Alright guys, so we made it, and whoa, look at that lineup of cars, all 86s. Because look at this one. We better go get our tickets and then we're going inside, so catch up with you guys in a bit. We made it inside, and now we're just waiting for more people to come. I mean, it's getting full pretty quick. They said it was gonna rain, so I brought an umbrella. It's not raining. Alright, so it started. There's a lot of cars here. It's crazy. Half the people that are here I follow on Instagram and have been following on Instagram for a while. I really hope you can hear me too, because it's loud. We have the drag race right over here. And yeah, this place is way bigger than 86 Fest. If you haven't seen my 86 Fest, it'll be in the end credits. So you just click on there and it'll take you right to the 86 Fest video that I made. But this place is way bigger than 86 Fest. And a lot more cars too. Looking at his own car.
Certified reps are.
So it looked like it was gonna rain, but it didn't end up raining. It kind of died out. It was cool for like the first 2-3 hours, and now it's just, I don't know, it's just repetitive. We're about to go see some drag races, so I'll film some of that, and then I'll go around filming some more cars. There's other cars that are coming in right now. Trip down Evo Lane. Look at all these Evos. One after another. This is crazy. Guess which Evo is Mark? You got it? You got it? Alright. Alright, so all of you guys are wrong because he's not even here. He sucks too. He was complaining about how Chris never comes anywhere. He couldn't ditch out on work to be here. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Miata! So everyone ran away and then hid under their tents because out of nowhere it just started raining. So I want to go home. I slept 4 hours, I think, like 4 hours. I'm just tired. I want to go home and sleep. Alright guys, well that's it. This is it. It's over. It ended really, really early. It was supposed to end at 6. It's about to be 5, but it started raining. The drags got cut off, so no more drag races. They already gave out the awards. They gave out the raffle. They did the raffle. And that's it. Everyone's gonna go their separate ways. All of that was filled. All of this over here was filled. So that's it guys, so I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys later for another video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And as always, peace out. 86 westbound. We had 2 hours of sleep. It's now 6 guys. We were on our way to the meet and then so what happened?
So my exhaust fell off and I need some hose clamps.